Hey everyone. The other day I had a thought that I wanted to share with you, and I decided to talk about it while I'm doing some fitting. Why not? I mean, I've been teasing you with this project for quite a while. The thought, however, is not that pleasant, at least in the beginning, because I wondered, why are there no more heroes in this world? Where did they go? Are they are they dead? I mean, every one of every one of us has plenty of examples just off the top of our heads of how the world is full of anger and greed and divisiveness. I mean, most of us could probably come up with people they would call villains. It's like they're running the place. A little bit it feels like that. It's not the place we want it to be. Most of us, I think. Sometimes feels like it's not even worth trying to change it, but that is exactly when we must renew our efforts to make this the world we want it to be. And we must do this with determination and with courage, and very importantly, with compassion. But remember, the night is always darkest just before dawn. Hope is just a sunrise away. And the deeper the darkness is, the brighter even the tiniest light will shine. And as for the heroes, heroes never die.